Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use a Deriv zero spread, guys. So you can see this is a zero spread and trading view, guys. So um, you can see that this is was the zero spread Deriv account. So you have to open Deriv account. This thing came new, and I just want to share with you this thing, guys, before so that you can be able to know it better, guys. So Deriv zero spread come this means that if you are trading, you are now trading with a zero spread. Imagine trading with a zero spread, you are no longer charging for anything but zero, guys. This will be an exciting to share with you this thing that they have made, guys. I think they made this thing because of the meeting they have with the partners, because I went to the meeting they had, guys, and the people are talking about the widening of spread. And after those things, and it have not been long, this meeting happened like a weekend ago, and we went to we went to that meeting, and I saw this thing. I think it's not yesterday. I saw this thing, so I decided to share with you guys. So Zero Express CFD on a financial and derivative instrument. That means that you can trade boom and crash, and also financial instrument like is forex trading, even this gold, anything, like you can trade it on what, on a derivative what, zero spread with what free. So what you have to do is just click what get. When you click get, you enter your password and create your account. It will just be like this one, guys. So you just create your account. So and let me just show you this demo. So you can just create your account here, and you just need to the same thing. You create what, um create what this account if you want to use demo or and when you create it, it's going to be like top up like this. Then you can be able to open it, and like this Deriv C trader, if I open it right now, it will see that it's going to tell me to open Deriv C trader right now. So but your code is now get, you have to put your password so that you can be able to be like this. So after you have done that, then you can decide to use what, trade what on a gold, on a on a trading view, main trading view, or you can come to this place, and if you want to trade like boom and crash, you can type what Deriv trading view, and what click it, and you are going to search for what Deriv trading view. This thing is also on the chart is by trading view, guys, and you can see. So this chart is what, chart by trading view. Then you can go and select anyone that you want to trade, any pair that you want to trade. This time around, you are trading with what, zero spread. So which is actually okay. If you want to trade like boom 1000, you can trade boom 1000, guys, and start what with what, zero spread. And this is exciting news that I want to share with you guys, and that's what I got from like the news I got from, guys, and I decided to share with you this zero spread. You can see that is new, and they made it new, guys, and it is it's high time that you will start making profit on the leap, guys, and with this zero uh, zero spread, guys. So I hope that you like this. So if you want to do analysis, if you want to know how to trade all this boom and crash, you can also watch my other video, guys. I just wanted to share with you guys that a zero spread guide they have just show, guys. So that's why I want to share with you this thing, guys. So if in case you want to trade anyone, you can actually go and watch my video, guys, like this thing right now. If you want to catch spike right away now, like I said, you have to go to a higher time frame and do your analysis before you start what, catching spike. I see that this thing have reached to the level of what, the level of support and resistance level, which means that it's likely to go and spike, which means that we'll be expecting spike around this place, guys. And spike is going to occur around this area, guys. So that's what I want to share with you about the leave was they leave what? They leave zero spread, guys. So we expect a spike. So, guys, if you want to learn more, you can click on the link below on this video, and also watch my other video, guys, and I'll see you guys. So right now, if you want to trade forex, if you want to trade the GBP, Euro, USD, you can trade it what with the Deriv what zero spread. I said what Deriv what zero spread. That is so exciting news, guys. Deriv has made actually made us give us what we want, guys. What we are asking for. Deriv what zero spread, guys, which is new, guys. So right now you can go and trade it, guys. So I will see you in my next video, guys.